Hello guys, welcome back to Affiliate Offer. In the last video, we talked about tasks, skills, and systems and why systems replaced online jobs. Today, I want to show you the type of skill that actually replaced online jobs completely. And it replaced it by not working more, but by building something once that keeps working for you. Okay, this skill is not coding. It's not even trading. You don't even need to know dropshipping. The skill we are going to learn is called local lead systems. Okay, and local lead system is when you build something simple that send customers to businesses automatically and you get paid. Okay, instead of working for platforms, you connect real businesses with the real customers. You don't fix generators, you don't repair cold rooms, you don't do plumbing, but you build a system that bring these customers to those type of businesses. Okay, now let's say that maybe you build a website that says cold room repair in Nairobi, call now. Okay, and when someone calls or fills a form in that website, the business get the customer automatically, and then the business pay you after they've closed the deal. Okay, that's the system you're going to build. Okay, now why is this type of system replaces online jobs? Online jobs depended on platforms. Online jobs depend on availability of tasks, approval, and online jobs also have a lot of competition. Now with the local lead system, it only depends on real problem, real businesses, and real customers. Okay, remember, businesses will always need customers. Platform might may die or disappear. Businesses won't disappear as long as there are customers. Okay, if a cold room breaks down, the owner does not care about the platform. They care about fixing the cold room fast. Okay, and whoever brings the customer will get paid. So that type of system is what we are going to build. Okay, now with this type of system, the best one is when you do this type of system in your city, and you choose a location, and also with the problem that those customers are facing there, then you connect those two businesses and you get paid. Okay, there are three main ways to make money with the local lead system. The first one is by pay per lead. A business pays you for every customer you send them. For example, let's say you agree with the business that for every customer you'll send them, they'll pay you, let's say $20. Okay. The second method is through monthly retainer. Okay. Now you charge that business monthly fee for you to send them exclusive leads. Okay. For example, you might say, or you might agree with the business that you, for every month, they'll pay you 150 USD or even 300 USD per month, and you send them 20 leads. Okay, remember, per lead, maybe this business is going to make even millions from that one lead. Okay, so you will be paid monthly for a number of leads that you two are going to agree. Okay, now the third way is through revenue share. Okay, and for revenue share, you agree that you get a percentage for every job they close from that lead you send them. And remember, this is real business income. This is not online job income. Okay, so this type of system is perfect for beginners because you don't need a big capital to do this. You don't need coding skills. You don't need a big team for you to start this kind of system, and you don't need special connections for this type of system to work. The only thing you need is a simple website, Okay, you need a simple website, and you need a good niche and a basic automation system, and this type of system will work. Okay, if you could follow online job tutorials, I believe you can build this type of system. Okay, now remember, one simple page is enough for you to make money from this type of system. You don't need a full website for you to start making money. Okay, one simple system is enough in your region, and it will make you good income. Okay, now in the next videos, I'm going to build a real local lead system from scratch in this channel. The niche we'll use is cold room and commercial refrigeration repair in Nairobi. Okay, why I chose this niche is because it is urgent. The businesses lose money when it fails. They need fast solution, and these businesses are always willing to pay for customers. Okay, so this is not going to be a demo, it is going to be a real system. We will build a new domain, build the site, we are going to automate it and monetize it with the real businesses together in this channel. Okay, so what you're going to learn from this is you're going to learn how to choose a profitable niche. You're going to build a simple money making pages, and you're going to learn how to set up automation, how to approach businesses, and how to get paid. Okay, so if you're tired of waiting for tasks and unstable platforms, this is your upgrade. Okay, so subscribe, turn on the notification, because in the next video we are going to start building this system. Remember to learn a skill. We are going to build a system, and we are going to let the system work for us. So until next time, be blessed.